At work, Sherry was actually getting her stairs redone by Solid Step, and she was always sharing the pictures of the process. And I got interested in it because I was really surprised as I was looking at the photos, the transformation of what was going on. I went, holy smokes! I go, I want to do this to our house. So long story short, the only reason I actually even got interested in it because she was so excited. It felt like I was part of the process, and that's how I came in contact and got our quote, and that's how we got started. We got all our spindles replaced, as you can see behind me, with the pillars. In the basement, we had carpeting, and the carpeting actually was switched out, and we got oak installed, and everything has been refinished to new custom color that we're really, really happy with. Everything was top-notch, professional. They took care of everything, very informative, kept everything on schedule. There's nothing bad to say about them. They knew exactly what they were doing. They were in and out. Everything was clean at the end of the day. I just loved them. From start to finish, a very professional team, very informative. The suggestions that they came up with, I didn't even think about. So like the cleanliness, I can keep on going on. They were top notch.